I want to share some steps I take to maintain the integrity of my exams in Moodle. Here's my first exam. I'm going into Edit Exam, Edit Quiz. For layout, I choose one question per page. You can choose, you get a choice, but this protects students from printing each question. I have 25 questions, so only one will appear per page. In the review options, I make sure that the students only see the scores, their final score, after the attempt, while the quiz is still open, and after the quiz is closed. All they see is their score. Occasionally, I will give these exams during our class, and I want to make sure that they don't open the exam at a different time. They might see that it's open, so I require they put a password. Okay, so I set a password for them. That way they have to attend the lesson to get the password to take the exam. Save and display. And then in Edit Quiz, where I have my questions, I make sure that I have shuffle set. That will randomize the order of the questions, so each student has a different sequence of questions. Okay, this exam has already been taken, so you're not seeing the shuffle button. Back to the Moodle page. After the exam has been taken, occasionally a student will ask what they got wrong. Well, if you click on the attempts, you will see, gotta click on it again, you will see the student's name and email. You'll see the time they started and the time they completed, how long they took to take the exam, their score, and then what they got right and what they got wrong. So for this student here, if I want to know what they got wrong, it shows me the question and what they answered and what the correct answer is. I noticed for question 4, as I scroll down, for that question, only 1 or 2 people got it correct. I can see at the very bottom that the average is 0.1 for the class for that question, which is very low. I might want to change the point score for that question or make it 0. And you would do that in Edit Quiz. So if I go to Edit Quiz and question 4, all right, question 4. So I noticed I'm only counting it as 1/3 of a grade. If I wanted to, I could just click this and set it to 0 so that the question doesn't count. But I wanted to give some points for there was 1 or 2 people who got it right. Make sure you click Save.